Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we're going to explore all things calendula. Specifically, we'll uncover the benefits this amazing plant has for your skincare and share some practical ways to incorporate it into your daily skincare routine. So whether you're a longtime herbal enthusiast or just curious about natural remedies, we've got some fantastic insights for you. Let's get started. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, offers some truly remarkable benefits for the skin. For starters, it can soothe irritation, making it a fantastic option for anyone dealing with redness or sensitive skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of calendula help reduce swelling and calm the skin. Next, let's talk about healing. Calendula is well known for its ability to promote healing, whether it's a minor cut, scrape, or a more significant wound. This is because it helps stimulate tissue regeneration, speeding up the recovery process. Another impressive trait of calendula is its capacity to fight off bacteria and fungi. This makes it especially useful for treating skin infections and conditions like athlete's foot. By keeping bacteria and fungi at bay, calendula helps maintain a healthy skin environment. Hydration is another area where calendula shines. It's incredibly hydrating and nourishing, providing the skin with essential nutrients. Its moisturizing properties ensure that your skin stays supple and smooth. Lastly, calendula has the power to combat aging. Its antioxidants protect the skin from oxidative stress and free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Regular use of calendula can result in firmer, more youthful-looking skin. And here's the best part. Calendula is versatile for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, calendula can work wonders without causing any adverse reactions. So, if you're looking to improve your skincare routine, consider adding calendula for a natural and effective boost. Now that we understand the incredible benefits of calendula, let's explore some practical ways to use it in your skincare routine. We'll start with calendula-infused oil. Making calendula-infused oil is fairly simple. All you need are dried calendula petals and a carrier oil like olive or jojoba oil. Place the calendula petals in a jar, cover them with the carrier oil, and let it sit in a warm spot for a few weeks. Strain out the petals, and your calendula-infused oil is ready to use. You can apply this oil directly to your skin, add it to your moisturizer, or even use it as a massage oil. Next up, we have a delightful DIY calendula face mask. To make this mask, you'll need some calendula petals, oats, and honey. Blend the ingredients into a paste, apply it to your face, and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. This mask not only soothes and hydrates, but also gently exfoliates your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Another excellent way to use calendula is through a calendula tea rinse. Simply steep dried calendula petals in hot water to make a tea. Once cooled, you can use this tea as a gentle facial rinse or even as a hair rinse after shampooing. It's a wonderful way to calm irritated skin or scalp. For those who prefer a more solid form, calendula salve or balm is a great option. You can make this by mixing calendula-infused oil with beeswax. Melt the beeswax, add the infused oil, and pour the mixture into small containers to harden. This salve is perfect for soothing dry or irritated skin and can be used on everything from chapped lips to minor cuts. Finally, let's not forget the relaxing calendula bath soak. Simply add dried calendula petals to your bath water and soak in the goodness. For an added bonus, you can mix the petals with some Epsom salts for extra relaxation benefits. It's a wonderful way to end a long day and give your skin some much-needed TLC. Now let's talk about some important tips for using calendula safely. First up, always do a patch test. While calendula is generally safe for most people, it's a good practice to do a patch test before incorporating it into your routine. Apply a small amount of calendula product on a small area of your skin and wait for 24 hours to ensure there's no adverse reaction. This simple step can save you from potential skin issues. Next, quality matters. When choosing calendula products, make sure you're opting for high-quality sources. Look for organic, pesticide-free calendula to maximize its benefits. Inferior quality ingredients can compromise the effectiveness and safety of your skincare products. Lastly, remember proper storage is key. To keep your calendula products effective for longer, store them in a cool, dark place. Exposure to heat and light can degrade the quality of calendula, reducing its potency over time. For homemade products like calendula-infused oils or balms, use airtight containers to maintain their freshness and extend shelf life. It's amazing how versatile calendula is in skincare. From soothing irritation and promoting healing to fighting off bacteria and keeping your skin hydrated, calendula does it all. If you haven't tried it yet, this could be a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. So go ahead, experiment with some calendula-infused oil, a calming face mask, or a soothing bath soak. Your skin will thank you for it. Do you have any calendula tips or recipes to share? We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to send a message with your favorite ways to use calendula. And don't forget to check the show notes for all the resources we've mentioned, including our Herbal Skincare Quick Start Guide. Happy experimenting! That wraps up another episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy with your host, Carrie Scharf. I hope you enjoyed learning about the wonderful benefits of calendula for your skincare routine. If you would like more plants, skincare, self-care, or journaling, look for the link to my Friday newsletter below. Inside each letter, you'll find a handcrafted skincare recipe, notes from the podcast, journaling prompts, and radiant discoveries I'm loving. Slow beauty, made simple. You might also enjoy my new zine, Moments of Light, a monthly zine for beauty, ritual, and gentle self-care. See the link below. Thanks for joining, and until next time, happy experimenting.